Hi guys, and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will unbox the original silicone cover for Samsung Galaxy S9. So let's do it. So here is the original silicone cover for Samsung Galaxy S9, and I will unbox this cover to see how it fits on this phone. So first let's cut this plastic. Okay, and inside we have the guide how to put this cover on the phone. Okay, so first in the bottom of the phone. Okay, let's remove again this plastic. And now let's put the phone inside the cover. Okay, and it is very easy, and I think that it looks very nice. Let's try the keys. Okay, and let's see how it works, the fingerprint sensor. Oh, it works very nice. Let's do it again. Okay, and now the volume buttons works very easy. And let's see the Bixby button. Okay, the Bixby is not active. It seems that all the keys works very good, and here you can put the charger and the jack for the earpods. So the cover, in my opinion, looks very nice, and I think this unboxing to help you if you want to buy this type of cover. Also, you can find the link in the video description and in the comments area from where you can buy this type of cover. So I hope this to be useful for you, and have a nice day.